Alright, welcome everyone. I want you to think of living organisms almost like a bustling, busy city. Just like a city needs a thriving economy and a universal currency to function, हमारी बॉडी के सेल्स को भी जिंदा रहने के लिए एक एनर्जी करेंसी की ज़रूरत होती है. Today, we're exploring the currency of life. हम समझेंगे bioenergetics और ATP को in this explainer. This is going to be a totally fascinating journey into how our cells actually get the power to do, well, literally everything.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. Number 1. What is bioenergetics? Number 2. Redox reactions explained. Number 3. ATP, the energy currency. Number 4. The ATP-ADP cycle. And finally, number 5, we'll wrap up with an active knowledge check.
So, Section 1. What is bioenergetics? The study of energy.
Let's look at the actual definition first. Bioenergetics is the study of how living organisms acquire, convert, store, and utilize energy to fuel their life processes. Simply put, bioenergetics is all about energy transformations. जिंदा रहने के लिए organisms energy को हासिल कैसे करते हैं, उसे convert कैसे करते हैं, और फिर अपने life processes को fuel करने के लिए use कैसे करते हैं, इस पूरी scientific study को हम bioenergetics कहते हैं.
So, acquiring energy from the surroundings, how does that actually happen in real life? Well, plants capture sunlight through photosynthesis. Basically, they act like giant biological solar panels. Animals, on the other hand, consume food. Animals अपना fuel बाहर से import करते हैं by eating. लेकिन ultimately, both of these paths lead to the exact same destination. This energy is converted into stored chemical energy. चाहे source sunlight हो या food, end result आपकी body में chemical energy ही होता है.
Moving on to Section 2. Redox reactions explained. The transfer of electrons.
The key idea here is that metabolism involves the transfer of electrons. Just like coins changing hands in a city's economy to buy and sell goods, हमारी body के अंदर electrons molecules के दरमियान pass होते हैं. जब electrons एक molecule से दूसरे molecule में transfer होते हैं, तो energy generate होती है. ये constant electron flow ही metabolism का absolute core mechanism है.
Now check out these two essential biological transactions side by side. Oxidation is the loss of electrons versus reduction, which is the gain of electrons. I really want you to lock this visual into your brains for the exam, okay?
अगर एक मॉलिक्यूल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज करता है तो वो प्रोसेस ऑक्सीडेशन है और अगर वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन करता है तो वो रिडक्शन है. Together, they make up what we call redox reactions.
All right. Section 3. ATP, the energy currency, universal cellular money. Here is a quick bit of history for you. This whole concept was proposed in 1941 by Nobel Prize winner Fritz Lipman. उन्होंने ही सबसे पहले ये discover किया था कि ATP सेल के अंदर main energy transfer molecule है. It was a massive, game-changing breakthrough in science.
Now, what's really interesting about this is the exact molecular structure of this currency. An ATP molecule has 3 distinct subunits. पहला है adenine, which is a nitrogen-containing base. दूसरा है ribose, a 5-carbon sugar. Or तीसरा subunit, and pay attention, this is very crucial, is the 3 phosphate groups. Adenine, ribose, or 3 phosphates मिलकर adenosine triphosphate बनाते हैं.
Let's hit Section 4, the ATP-ADP cycle, recycling cellular energy.
Let's walk through exactly how this works. Step 1, the cell requires energy. Step 2, the outer covalent PP bond breaks. The phosphates के दरमियान जो high energy bond होता है, वो physically break होता है. Step 3, ATP becomes ADP plus PI, meaning adenosine triphosphate अब adenosine diphosphate और एक inorganic phosphate में convert हो जाता है. And finally, step 4, energy is released for cellular use. Power available हो जाती है cell के function के लिए. Think of it like a rechargeable battery.
So the really crucial point here is exactly how much energy is released. It is 7.3 kilocalories per mole. ये नंबर आपके एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब वो आउटर हाई एनर्जी फॉस्फेट बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है, it strictly releases 7.3 kilocals of energy per mole. ये specific amount of power ही हमारे life processes को drive करती है.
To ground all this science in reality, what do cells actually buy with this ATP? Well, they buy growth, movement, and reproduction. जब आपके muscles movement के लिए contract होते हैं या जब आपकी body actively grow करती है या cells multiply होते हैं, ये सब इसलिए possible है क्योंकि ATP की breakdown से उन्हें direct energy मिलती है. It's the fuel for literally everything we do.
All right, Section 5, Active Knowledge Check. Let's review what we've learned. Question number 1. What is the chief energy currency of all cells? I'll give you a second to mentally shout out the answer. Exactly. It is ATP, Adenosine Triphosphate. Question number 2. Which reaction involves the gain of electrons? अपने mind में उस text comparison को recall करें. Loss of electrons was oxidation, तो gain क्या था? You got it. The answer is reduction.
Question 3. How many phosphate groups are found in one molecule of ATP? Think about the name, triphosphate. Perfectly done, it's 3. 3 phosphate groups.
Last question, really challenge yourself here. Breaking one phosphate bond in ATP releases how much energy per mole? I told you this number was absolutely crucial for your exams. Fantastic, it is precisely 7.3 kilocalories per mole.
You all did an incredible job today. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a pretty mind-blowing thought. Your brain just spent millions of ATP molecules actively learning this topic. आपका दिमाग continuously in phosphate bonds को break कर रहा था ताकि आप bioenergetics को grasp कर सके. Think about how amazing that internal economy is. Make sure to recharge your energy and keep that curiosity alive for our next session.